Students, today we are just continuing our previous chapter, that is operation on large numbers, chapter number 2. So we are starting use of brackets and its simplification. So we had another rule, BODMAS. DMAS we have done, and we have another rule, BODMAS. So what is BODMAS? BODMAS is nothing but DMAS having two more terms, B and O. Now what does this B and O stands for? I have written here. So B stands for your bracket of. It means whenever you have to simplify a numerical expression, you have to solve the bracket first. Second is your O. O stands for multiply the numbers having off between them. It means if there are two numbers and they are having off between them. So first after solving the bracket, you have to multiply them. And the rest part we have done. The D stands for division, M stands for multiplication, A stands for addition, and S stands for your subtraction. Now in BODMAS, we had B. O-D-M-A-S. I told you this B stands for your bracket. Now I have made a table over here in which I have written the different name of different kind of brackets, and I will be telling you their symbols. So first is your vinculum or bar bracket. This is the first bracket, and its symbol is this, a small horizontal line. Okay. Second is your round or small bracket, and how you are going to represent it? It is represented like this. Okay, this is called your small bracket or round bracket. Third is your curly bracket or braces. How you will represent? You will make it like this. Okay, this is a symbol of your curly bracket. And third and the last is your square bracket or box bracket, or we say it is a big bracket. Okay, and how you will make it? Its symbol is like this. Clear? So these are four brackets: your bar bracket, small bracket, curly bracket, and big bracket. And whenever you have to solve the brackets, you have to follow this sequence only. It means first you have to solve the bar bracket, then you have to solve the small bracket, then your curly bracket, and last one is your square bracket. There are some rules while you remove a bracket. So what are they? If there is no sign between the number and the bracket, we multiply. What does it mean? Suppose I have written 3 in bracket 2 plus 6. Clear? I told you first you have to solve the term inside the bracket. It means first you have to solve this bracket. So 6 plus 2, 8. So you will write 3, 8. Now what is the sign between the 3 and this bracket? There is no sign. So it means you have to put a multiply over here. And this is 3 8s are 24. Clear? It means if there is no sign between a number and a bracket, you can see there is no sign between 3 and this small bracket. It means you have to multiply it. First you have to solve this, and then you have to multiply. Okay? Now second is, if there is a positive sign before a bracket, simply remove the bracket. And suppose there is a positive sign before a bracket. They have like this, 3 plus 2 plus 6. What you have to do? You have to simply remove the bracket. And this will be your 11. Okay? Now third is, if there is a negative sign before a bracket, the sign within the bracket changes. So if there is a negative sign before the bracket, the sign within the bracket changes. The sign which you are having within the bracket, they changes. This I will be telling you while we are doing a question. Okay. Last is, always remember to solve the number under the bar first. Bar means that your bar bracket. Okay, it means first you have to solve the number under the bar bracket. Okay, so now we are going to solve one question. Okay, so you can see your first question is 163 minus 3 curly bracket 12 minus 6 minus 3, and this 6 minus 3 is under your bar bracket, divided by 3, then again your curly bracket 5 plus 2 plus 2, and this 2 plus 2 is under your bar bracket and bracket close. As I told you that first you have to solve the bracket and that is also the bar bracket. So here we are having two bar bracket. One is this one and another one is this one. So two bar brackets we have to solve. So you will write 163 as it is minus 3, then your curly bracket, 12 minus, then 6 minus 3 will be 3. So you will write 3 and bracket close, divided by this 3, then again your curly bracket, 5 plus 2 will be 4 and bracket close. So you have done the bar bracket. Now next is you're solving this curly bracket, because in BODMAS we are having bracket first. It means you have to solve all the brackets. So first you have solved the bar bracket. The next one is your curly bracket. So now you have to solve the curly bracket. So you will write 163 minus 3 and then you have to solve this curly bracket. 12 minus 3 will be 9. Now see, I told you when there is no sign between a number and a bracket, then you have to put a multiplication sign over here. Okay. Now again it is divide 3. Again there is no sign between 3 and this bracket. So you will put a multiply. And 5 plus 4 will be 9. Clear? Now you have solved all the brackets. Now O stands for off. Now you can see that there is no off in this equation. So you have done with this also. Now next is your D. It means you have to divide them first. So you will write 163 minus 3. Now 9 divided by 3 will be 3. Very good. Because 3 3s are 9. So this is 3 and multiply by 9. Now you have done with your division also. Now next is M stands for multiplication. It means you have to multiply them. So you will write 163 minus. Now 3 3s are 9. 9 9s are 81. 163 minus 81. And when you subtract it, it is coming 82. So this will be your answer. Okay. Our next question is 32 minus, this is your big bracket, 3 of 2 plus, now you are having a curly bracket. After curly bracket, there is another bracket, that this is called small bracket. 4 into 3 bracket close, divided by, then again there is a small bracket, 2 into 1 bracket close. Then listen, here they are having curly bracket started. So here they have ended the curly bracket and here they have started their brick bracket. So here we have closed this brick bracket. Now we are going to solve it. So you will write 32 minus, I told you first you have to solve the brackets, and in bracket first you have to solve the bar bracket. As you can see, there is no bar bracket. So second one is your small bracket. So you have to solve this one. Rest of the part you will copy as it is. 3 of 2 plus your curly bracket. Now 4 3s are 12 divided by 2 1s are 2. You have solved these brackets, this one and this one. Now after this you will put a curly bracket and then after this a big bracket. Okay. Now second line, it's 32. Now you have to solve this bracket, as you have to solve the brackets first. Minus 3 of 2 plus, now when you divide 12 divided by 2, your answer will be 6. 6 and big bracket close. Okay. Now 32 minus, in bracket 3 off, means I told you when there is off between two numbers, you have to put a multiplication sign. Multiply by 2 plus 6. Clear? Now you have to solve this bracket. In this bracket first you have to solve this 3 and 2. Why? Because in BODMAS we have done with the brackets and now it's turn off. So 32 minus 3 2s are 6 plus 6. Clear? Next 32, 6 plus 6 will be 12. 32 minus 12. And when you subtract it, its answer is coming 20. Clear? So students, try to do these kinds of sum by your own. And thank you. Have a nice day.